Hi you guys, welcome back. We're here with Ellen.
Hello.
We are going to do a project on her little 75-cent table that we bought at the 100-mile garage sale. We don't know what we're doing, so we are going to bring you guys along. We're going to see how to strip this thing so we can fix it up. Y'all come along. If you don't know what we're doing.
Get in there.
Yep, she's getting in. This is what we're using, guys. And it said to put it on pretty thick. And then we're going to put saran wrap on it. To keep it.
I'm worried if I sit down, I may not get out.
Well, I'm here to help you. Yeah. I can help get you up. Oh, wow. Look what that already is working on.
Wow.
Okay. You want to turn it up on in? Yeah. This may be fun with the wind. Yeah. Like so.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it goes down. It can go. And then, like so. Yeah. Seal it on itself.
Yeah.
Maybe. Okay, we're gonna let it set for a while, guys.
Whichever one you want.
Do we want to just?
Oh, Lord.
Oh, it's not coming off like we thought.
Mm-mm.
I was hoping for it to be better than that.
You should have got me a steel, or, something.
Metal one?
Yeah, metal one.
Well, it's coming off.
So there's a layer of white, and then another layer, or then a layer of red. What they use, rubber paint? Huh? Down to some wood or something.
Is there more paint under this?
I don't know. My gosh, I'd hope not, but...
Because I'm only getting down to this. This may be tricky for the legs. We may have to get some pillows and sit on the ground.
Yeah.
This is all I got, but it might take the wood off. Because it's been sharpened.
Been sharpened? These seem like they're going to break. Oh yeah, Ellen.
Oh, wow.
Oh yeah, Ellen.
Okay.
Because he picked the cheaper ones. Yeah, this is gonna be fun.
Try to get it all the way down that way can move it. At least it won't, it doesn't like, it's not like super glue, you know,
Yeah.
you can kind of move it around a little bit.
Yeah, that's. Let the fun begin.
Yeah, 'cause I can't even.
Whose idea was this?
Mine.
Oh,
I think it was mine.
good.
I really do.
I thought it was mine. Good.
After it dried, we trimmed it off. Then we put antique wax and then covered it up with clear wax.
It makes it darker, doesn't it?
Mm-hmm.
We still gotta cut these off. But it's done. Look at the camera. We are so crooked. Been like that all this time.
Hello.
Oh, Ellen.